Hey everyone, I'm Dr. Faith Adole. I am the founder and president of the Yuval Foundation. I have just one question for you. Are you ready for a night of impact, celebration, and unity? Well, the countdown is on. We are less than 1 month away from Yuval Foundation's 10th anniversary fundraising gala, happening on Saturday, April 12th, 2025 at the Bowery House and Gardens in Katy, Texas. We're bringing you an unforgettable night under the theme Healing Through Unity. We'll kick off the evening with a vendor fair and networking hour featuring incredible women leaders and founders in STEM and in the arts. Enjoy a gourmet dinner and inspiring award ceremony, including the prestigious Daisy Award for Advancing Health Equity. Experience live entertainment and bid on exclusive items in our live auction, including a one-of-a-kind painting that will be created right before our eyes. Most importantly, your presence supports critical causes, improving healthcare access, clean water initiatives, and maternal health care in underserved communities. But hey, seats are filling fast, so grab your tickets now. Don't miss this opportunity for a powerful night of purpose and impact. I'll see you there.